We'd had a good sail, but on our final approach to North Uist, the wind had changed direction and started to strengthen. It had gone from a southwesterly to a southeasterly. The pilot guide advised us against entering Flodday Sound with a strong easterly wind, and as we splashed and rolled our way, we could see why. It was difficult to stand up, let alone film the action. But things got a lot easier when we reached the narrow entrance, managed to pick our way through the maze channels, and then into the calm interior without hitting anything, which is always a good way to end the day. We'd had a beautiful night on anchor, but there were strong winds forecast, so we knew we'd run out of time for the Outer Hebrides. At the crack of dawn, we were going to have to get up and start heading east.
They were jumping right